Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can easily download YouTube video. You don't need any extension or tools or applications. Just follow me. I'll show you how you can easily download. First of all, go to the browser, write YouTube, and select a video. I have a channel. The channel name is The Pirate Commander. Let's go find my channel. Yeah, that's in the search bar. Go to there. Select a video. Suppose that it is the video. Just pause it. Then go to the URL. Remove https:/www. and write there ss and just press enter. Here you are. You can get the download. Just press download and save. Does it download? Just double click on it. Yeah, the video is downloaded. But I'll tell you one thing: Saver from net is not available for everywhere, every country. You have to do something. I'll show you how you can download this in all over the world. So, what do you have to do? You have to do just https://www.before.com. You have to write double P and just press enter. You can download it from here. The video is 1080p full HD video. You can download full HD video from here. Y2 Math. You can also download MP3 audio. That's it. Click the download option. It takes some few seconds. Wait for it. And click download option. There you are. Just save it. Wait for the download. Just check that your file is downloaded. Let's check. Yeah, the file is also downloaded. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.